a big ass bird, a monster bird. I tried to find him in the trees. That's where he sleeps before he leaves. I tried to find him for Frankie. I wanted him to see him dancing in our gate. Hey! Falling, the wind was blowing, those birds were talking to me that day. I couldn't get them to walk right to me, so Frankie lay them down to they stayed away, my calling son. The wind was blowing, I should have loved, I should have loved. Hey!
That's what I'm talking about right there. That's what I'm talking about, Scott. Is that what you're talking about, Scott?
Not really.
Well, we're cruising around the property, trying to get a gobble going. No, we had one. We had one. But he might be scared of us.
Or following us.
He could be right behind us, but we don't hear him because of the rain. We're just gonna slide through the woods. Slippery, real slippery and slimy like. Just like an eel or a slug or something. Snail, maybe. We're gonna try to get one of these birds on us. Really on us, I mean. Okay guys, one more circle. We're gonna do one more loop. Try to get Angelucci on his bird. We'll loop it around. How you feeling your first hunt, Doctor?
Not bad, not bad. Saw a lot of wildlife today. It's beautiful being out in the woods.
Well, do you have a favorite wildlife that you saw?
The turtle. I'm not used to seeing the turtles
That's cool.
in the cornfield.
And your least favorite?
Probably the fox.
With the turkey in his mouth?
With the turkey in his mouth.
That's my least favorite. Sad.
I'm at a loss for words.
Alright. Well, if we see him again with the turkey in his mouth, we're going to shoot him, even if it's out of season. Sorry, fishing game.